Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to answer a question on the quora.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should select a question either from your homepage and or you can also use the search bar at the top to type in a topic that you would like to search for questions, or you would like to provide your answer. And after selecting a question, tap on it and tap on this answer button at the top below the question, and then you should tap on the write your answer and type in your answer. Click on the pause button down below, and then as you can see your answer has been submitted. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.